Question: what did you learn about the movie? I learned that appearing at this event and person can be kind, attentive, and fearful but be pretending of his true nature, as evidenced by the stepmother and her two daughters. How did the fear make you feel? It made me feel worried about women who are too submissive and who endure all kinds of abuse since they often keep silent in that kind of situation and do not seek professional help. How does the movie relate to the academic program you are studying? In the area of psychology, the family is an important part of personal development to have an integral health and live a happy life.